G'day guys, Greg here. Now listen, put your hand up if you like effort-free cooking. Guilty as charged! I love meals that require like no effort, and today I'm going to be cooking one for you. Really easy sausages and chips using my favourite machine, the old air fryer. I tell you what, these things come in so handy if you're a lazy cook like me. So anyway, let me show you how easy it is to make this delicious dinner. Yeah. So of course all you're going to need for this is some sausages. These are from Woolies. And some chips. These are from the freezer section or somewhere, who knows. Alrighty, so let's take this drawer out. And into there we're going to shove our sausage. Oh yes. And some chips. That should do, right? I don't want to seem greedy. And now we just stick it back in the machine. So let's turn it on, and we want to jack this temperature up to 200 degrees Celsius because chips like to cook at that temperature. Now 200 degrees Celsius is about 394 Fahrenheit. So around the 390, 400 Fahrenheit mark is probably where you want to be. And well, the time's 15 minutes. Perfect. Let's start cooking. That's it. Now you can go back to sitting on the couch or mow the lawn or something, fold some laundry. Who knows what you get up to? Although for best results, it's best to come back about halfway through and just give it a shake. Make sure those chips aren't like doing stuff they shouldn't be doing. Alright, well it's about halfway, so how about we just pull it out and give it a bit of a shake. Yeah. Stick it back in. Alright, well I've just finished mowing the lawn and folding the laundry. So let's suss dinner out, because it's ready. Oh, yes! Giddy up! Alrighty. Here we go. Snags are all cooked nicely. The things are falling over in the sink. The chips, well, they look cooked. What more do you want? Or maybe some dead horse for the chips, that'd go down well. And one of my favourite things to eat with sausages is hot English mustard. Yeah, just spread some on the side there. Alrighty, well there you go. How effortless was this dinner? And it's so nutritious for you too. These chips, I didn't even add some salt. That might help. Good enough. The snags, well, they're cooked. Well, I hope so. Well, yes, they are. Get some hot English. And there you go. Super simple, super easy. Dinner's done with probably 1 minute of hands-on time altogether. Now these temperatures and times are in regards to the thickness of this sausage and these chips. So if your chips are thinner and your sausage is thicker, then you might need to adjust the times a little bit, but it shouldn't matter that much. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you enjoy the extra free time you're going to be having once you start eating healthy foods like this. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I cook something. See you then. Oh yeah, this is great.